everybody, welcome back to my channel. Brittany's Story here, and you are back in Nifty space. So today's video is actually in collaboration with ScentBox, and I was able to pick two different fragrances, so I'm gonna go ahead and review them for you guys. So first off, what is ScentBox? ScentBox is basically a luxury fragrance subscription. It is typically $14.95 a month, and what you get is you get a travel size atomizer that is a 30-day supply of designer fragrance. And with the 30-day supply, 4 sprays is equal to 1 day. So honestly, I mean, you could do 2 sprays a day, make it 60 days. That's just how I think of it. You know, if it's a super strong fragrance to where you just need squirt here, squirt on the back, you can just stretch out them fragrances, if you know what I mean. These are the fragrances that I got. Oh, let me show you the box first. So this is the box, super cute. And remember, each month you get one. So this is how it looks, super cute, right? And I just love the packaging. This is the pink, and it comes with this really, really pretty matte finish, and it twists up like that, which I think is great for your purse when it twists up like that. Because sometimes I feel like when it has a cap, the cap gets lost, and then it gets weird, and then like sometimes it accidentally like sprays in your purse, and it's just all like, So here's the gold one. Oh my gosh, I love the gold one. Also with ScentBox, they have excellent customer service to where if there's a fragrance that you choose and if you don't like it, you're able to exchange it hassle-free and free of charge. So again, it is $14.95 per month for one 30-day supply of designer fragrance. And actually they have a promotion going on right now to where I believe your first month is like $9 and like 75 cents, 72 cents, something like that. And you get to choose from 850 designer fragrances. Like, that is insane. When I was like choosing the fragrances that I wanted to pick, it just took so long because there's so many good ones, and I'm just like, ooh, but this one's good and this one's good. There's so many. It was almost like overwhelming. So I think that's like one of the best things that I really admire about this subscription service, because I feel like some are like, they're kind of gimmicky to where, you know, you only have a few different choices, or like they're super generic and it's like the fragrances that everybody has. In these, you get some like really, really unique fragrances. So first off, this in the pink, which I think it's so cute that they put this fragrance in the pink atomizer. I chose the Tom Ford Black Orchid. Oh my gosh, it's like one of my favorite fragrances, and like I just feel like that fragrance is like super special to me because when I first moved to Los Angeles, I remember smelling it, and it was just something that I've never smelled before, and it was just so sexy and so interesting and unique and so bold. Another great thing about the Tom Ford Black Orchid fragrance is that it's unisex. So my boyfriend actually loves this fragrance, and I'm probably gonna have to hide this from him because he likes it a lot, and it actually smells really, really good on him. It might almost smell better on him than me, but that's okay. So some of the notes within the Black Orchid fragrance, there is dark accords, of course, Black Orchid, and there's also spice. So one of the first notes that I smell, though, it's kind of like a vanilla type of spice, and it's just, oh my gosh, it's literally a dream. And every time I smell it, it just gives me great memories, and I just think of like first moving here and just how everything was. And then the second fragrance that I chose, which is in this gold packaging, is the Valentino Donna Acqua. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is literally like the perfect scent for like spring and summer. There is actually frosted pear in the notes. There's also sandalwood as like the base note. And there is, what's the other one? Oh, green almond. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it evenly distributes the fragrance to where it's just, getting all over your lovely body. So yes, you guys, I'm not weird about sharing my fragrances. Some people are. When it comes to fragrances, they're going to smell different on different people typically. And I was also told, and this is by a fragrance professional, that when you have a deeper skin tone, you typically pull more sweet fragrances. And if you have more of a fair skin tone, you're gonna pull more kind of like that clean floral. And I was like, So what I try to do is I try to find fragrances that either have floral and a little bit of sweet, or maybe something that's really warm with a little bit of sweet. Because if it's too sweet, I've noticed it's like too much. But if there's like a hint of sweetness, like once it dries down, beautiful. I feel like there's truth to that. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely review. I am obsessed with fragrances. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know some of your favorite fragrances that you like. And yeah, so until next time, bye.